another day, another slay, another day, another vlog. But yeah, today, yun, nakikinig ka ba? Nasa work ako right now. So, anong i-share? Nagpunta yung Vape Nation. Oh my gosh, yung Vape Nation! Magpa-fogging ang foggers. Kasi mataas nga yung dengue cases dito sa Dasma. So, girl, Vape Nation is here. At naamoy ko na sila. Kaya binuksan ko na rin yung mga electric fans sa buong bahay. Because, I can. So, tinitignan ako ni Ren. And my mask is always ready. And actually today is December 10. It's a Tuesday. And tomorrow I'll be going to an event sa Quick Effects. And later ko na i-tell yung details for tomorrow's event and para siya yan and all. But yeah, for today, ang highlight ng day na ito ay ang Vape Nation. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo kasi naaaway ko na sila. Oh. Hey guys, so ayun, tapos na ako mag-shoot ng content for like, my 12 recos, an organic content. But ayun, tonight, mag-fitting tayo. Fitting with, Dior. Hoy, with Balenciaga. Off-white. But yeah, hindi. Legit, mag-fit ako ng mga fit for like the event tomorrow. Pressure ako! Kasi, kinikilig ako. Pero at the same time, kinakabahan ako kasi this is the first event na like I'm going alone. Hindi man actually alone kasi i-meet ko yung content creator friend ko na talaga. Very slay. Hi, Ayun. Ayun, nag-ano sila, oh. Ate, ayun, kakasend lang nila ng like formal invitation na parang i-represent ko ata sa Odd Cafe. And the event will be held sa Odd Cafe sa Salcedo, Makati. So, first time natin napupunta ng Salcedo. And I've been hearing a lot about that. But yeah, nakikita ko lang sa mga vlogs. And since I am in Cavite na, so hindi ako nagkakaroon ng time to go to Salcedo, Makati because I am a busy person. So, ayun sis. Mag-fit na tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung fit. Yung ako kakalabasan ng fit and everything because I want you to see. And wala naman natin akong choice. Because, ganito yan. I'm choosing between these two tops. Ito yung top ko. This is my, like, a knitted top na parang crop top. Crop top yan para sa knitted top. And then this is like a top na plain white lang. But, layer ko kasi siya. And since yung knitted top is very mainit. Hindi siya perfect i-layer, especially sa polo. As someone na baskil, kasi sobrang green yung polo ko, girl. At girl, umiiyak to ng sobra-sobra. Kung mainit na yung top ko, sa patungan ko pa siya ng polo, ate, ayoko mangyari yun. So, I think the best choice is yung top ko na, yung crop top ko ng white na lang. Kasi it will like look good in this and I will be wearing boots. So, ayun. Ay, kwento ko, nasusutin ko, pakita ko na lang siya, sis. So, guys, ito yung naisip kong, first fit ko. Pero, medyo na-off ako sa top, dun sa polo. Kasi, we're aiming for like street style, like high fashion street style. I gusto ko like with a touch of elegance and everything. But yeah, look at this. This is the fit. Wait, so, ayan siya, guys. Ayan yung top. I mean, maganda siya. With the bag. Kaso parang hindi siya nagsisit well with, the jort. Tapos, I mean, maganda to. Yung bottom ko maganda. Maganda rin yung top ko. Pero parang magkahiwalay siya. Gets nyo ba yung point ko? So, ayun. I'm gonna try to find pa another top na pwede mag-fit dito cause parang hindi nga siya like, Pero yeah, actually, it's okay. And I think pwede ko naman siya madala somehow. Update, guys. So, I feel ito na yung gagamitin kong fit for tomorrow's event. Actually, it's kind of cute and everything. So, yeah. Mas I love na naka-boots ako. Like, girl, look at that. It's actually nice. It's actually cute and everything. But yeah, I think this is nice. Hindi ko lang alam, like, nag-overthink lang ako or what. Pero ang ganda. Actually, ang ganda niya. Ito na talaga ako na-off. Like, parang soft, rugged. Parang ganun yung effect niya. But yeah, actually, it's cute naman. Wala rin kasi ako like white. Meron ako white pantses. Oh my gosh, what if I wear na lang a denim pants? Wait, let me just try. Update, guys. So, I don't think this will fit. Because, girl, parang di ako pumunta ng event. Para akong gagala, te. It's not giving. Like, look at that girl. Hindi talaga. It's not giving. Para talaga akong gagala. Hindi ako pupunta ng event. So, I think I'll go with the first one. Kasi nakaka-overthink, so much. OMG, guys, update. My friend is a lifesaver. Sorry sa kalat, guys, kasi nag-iimpake na ako ngayon. Nakita yung different fits for tomorrow's event. Pero girl, thank you to my friend. Kasi sabi niya, what if iangat ko daw yung sleeves ng polo? Like, oo nga, why didn't I think about it? But yeah, it is so nice. Like, look at that. It's very street and everything. Di ba parang, it's like giving street elegance. street eleganza. But yeah, actually, I love it. It's giving. Okay, it's perfect. It's perfect. Like, it's perfect. This is the fit for tomorrow. So, ayun, mag-aayos tayo ng gamit. Because since mag-alis bukas, since I have work pa and everything, so yes, yes. Very slay, very slay, very slay. Hey guys, just got home from the event. And ayun, if you wanna see the full fit, just check out my Instagram. Kasi I think by the time na na-post ko tong video na to, up na yung videos ko. Okay, umaalog-alog yung camera ko. Kasi may electric fan. But yeah, tisan nyo lang yan. But ayun na nga, galing na ako sa event ng Quick FX. And girl, na-bother ako maalog siya. Wait. Ayun, less alog today. But yeah, i-haul ko ngayon yung mga nakuha ko from the event. So, ayun. Starting off with this box. So, ito yung binigay sa amin entering the event. And as well as this, like, parang maglalagay ka ng stamp pag nakompleto mo siya keme-keme ganun. So, yes, this is very cute. Tapos, we got a chance to get stickers. And apat lang yung kinuha ko. So, nahiya na ako. At hindi na kasi ako super mahilig sa stickers. So, ayun. Ito sila. Actually, itong sticker na to, ito yung bago nilang product. So, ayan. Ito Team Glow. So, bali dalawa kasi siya. So, dalawang team siya. Ganun. And the reason pala why we got invited to this event is because Quick Effects is launching a new product on December 19. So, kayo guys, makikita nyo na agad siya. Because I got invited, sis. But yeah, so next naman is I got this for like participating in one of the keme kasi nakita ko nung host and everything. Yes, nagtatago na yung time na nagtatago na ako and everything. But yeah, natago rin ako. Hindi talaga natipigilan ng pag-shine ng star na to. Uy! But yeah, ito. This is one of their products. So this is the Quick Effects Dewy Glow Stick. It's a color adapting jelly serum stick with sodium hyaluronate and rosehip oil. So this is like your blush. This is like your this is an on-the-go stick literally. Kasi pwede siyang lippy, pwede siyang blush, pwede siyang eyeshadow and everything. So perfect na perfect for lazy girly pops like me out there. And then dun na sa activity eme, yan. We got this bag and actually it's available in like two colors. So one pink and green yung embroidery niya ng logo ng Quick Effects and then isang green and tapos pink yung embroidery niya ng logo ng Quick Effects. So, very wicked vibes, ganun. So, ayun, upon entering the we got this, and then, punta na kami dun sa booth ng Art Monster, which is, gumagawa sila ng para mga keychain, mga customized keychain and all. So, ito, ang cute niya kasi may ano pa sila, may parang packaging pa sila. So, ito yon. Ayan yon. Actually, meron pa dalawang star. Oh, tanggal yung star! So, ayan. Tanggal yung star sis. So, ito yung nilalagay yung mic natin for today's video. So, ay, focus ka. Star, ayan. Natanggal. Actually, dalawang star na natanggal. Isa dito at saka isa dito. Pero kakabit ko lang siya kasi madali lang ikabit yung ganito kasi pinaplansya lang naman. So, ayun. This is it. So, ito yung ating mic for today. And then, next one, we got this, So, yun. Kumuha na kami ng products. Ayan. So, ito yung another product nila. Aside from the Dewy Glow Stick, meron din silang Quick Effects Blur Stick. This is a flawless pore stick with SPF 50 PA+++++. So, yes, apat na plus po ang meron ito. And it also has Centella Asiatica extract and vitamin E. So, ito yung parang base mo. Kung ito yung pang-color mo ng face mo, ng lips mo, and ng eyelids mo, ito naman yung inyong base. So, this can be a primer, a sunstick, and everything. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Like, actually, you can go out with just these two. Like, this is your base and this is your parang pangkulay ng face mo. So, meron din kaming charms. So, we are given a chance to pick 3 charms for ourselves. And as you all know, I love blue so much. So, lahat ng charm na pinili ko is color blue. So, let's start with this firm na blue heart. Girl, I love this one so much. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng charms na naget ko. And then, next is like a small heart na 3D. So, parang this is like rubber texture and very nice. Tapos, meron siyang happy face pala, guys. So, very cutesy. And then, lastly, nakuha ko is this flower one. So, di ba? Lahat blue. Hindi naman lahat ang gustong-gusto ko yung blue, no? Tapos, meron siyang ganito. I am planning to remove this kasi I don't find this cute at all. Ito rin gusto ko tanggalin. But it also has this like, this plastic chains na very cutesy rin siya. So, yeah. Ito, it's very cute. This is like one of the favorite things that I got from the event. Aside from, actually, lahat sila favorite ko. Let's not be fake. So, feel ko ayun naman, ayun na lahat, pero wait lang, pakita ko yung picture ko kasi we also took some pictures kanina. Like, there's like this photo booth na nagpiprint ng magnet, na magnet pictures, parang gano'n. Yung may na magnet sa ref. And ayan. This is Ate Pia, and she's like the reason why I got invited to this event. So, super thank you, Ate Pia, for, everything. And I had so much fun with her today. It was really fun with her. More events to come for us. So, yeah. Say hi, Zeb Jobs. Yes. What can you say? Yes, she's a pussy. Bye. Yeah, mamaya nagkwento yan nangyari. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa ULS, sa De La Salle because we're here for Prism. Actually, yung isa, okay, nawawala na yung iba, tatalo. So, yun. Katiya, pakita ko sa inyo yung like, paligid and everything.
무조와 춤추는 그 친구들 소리 질러봐 내 얼굴빛 아래 발을 구르며 모두 다 같이 하나가 느낌 귓가에서 나오는 환상의 멜로디 그 속에 빠져들어 매일 설레지 사랑에 빠진 건 틀림없지 이 음악이 우리 만들어줘 K-pop 다 좋아 너도 알잖아 우리의 밤은 끝나지 않아 이 느낌은 날아갈 것 같아 모두 외쳐봐 우린 노래 스타일 따라가는 그 재밌어 매일매일 다른 모습으로 가사 속에 이야기가 나와 같은 꿈을 꾸는 사람들아 오라 이 기쁨을 잊을 수 없어 음악으로 하나 되어버려 지금 이 순간을 즐겨봐 우린 다 같이 춤을 춰봐요 킥업해서 나오는 반전 멜로디 그 속에 빠져들어 매일 설레지 사랑에 빠진 건 틀림없지 이 음악이 우리 만들어줘 K-pop 다 좋아 너도 알잖아 우리의
So we ordered some knock-knock chicken. Ay, nabigas siya. Nabigas siya.
Halos siya.
Para siyang
Thank you
sad.
po.
Yes, we're Hungary. We're in Germany. This is my food. Wait. This is my food, guys. My food. It's Yangnyeom times 2. We're gonna eat.
Hindi ko in-order sa Tongdak eh.
What's that? Ganito rin?
Kain ko rin. Kailangan yung resibo.
Let's eat. Let's
Ano yung
taste
apple?
this.
Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Powdered chicken.
Snow.
Powdered chicken ang
Snow cheese. Snow cheese.
Stop. What do you feel? Mama,
wala ko gaano comment ah.
what do you feel?
I feel so naked.
Do you feel? I wanna be naked. No, sasampalin kita. Sasampalin. What do you feel right now?
Entry ko.
What do you feel right now? Yeah.
Magkano ka ng waiter? Ha? Waiter.
Magbulis ang mga society.
Kapag nagdagay ng side dish, anong side dish?
Lahat. Ay, ito lang. Yung yung cream cheese sa fish cake.
Ikaw ba?
Hey guys! We're here sa SM right now because I had my facial done sa Lix Beauty Line Salon dun sa my gate 1 ng Lasal here sa Dasma. So if you're here around Dasma, grabe, I recommend their kasi it's super nice. And actually the staff, everyone was so accommodating and everything. So it was like a nice one. So dun ako papa-facial and everything. So ito actually siya yung pinaka dumating doon. Ayan. Siya yung hindi nakapagpa-procedure kasi ang kanya is fashion color and haircut. Sobrang daming tao, like legit. Dapat din ako, papa-haircut din ako and mag-thread and all. Kaso super daming tao. So baka mag-book na lang kami ng appointment for like 19. Kaso kasi, yung kanina hindi kami nakapag-book ng appointment. So kaya parang walk-in lang kami. So ang daming nauuna, so wala kaming choice. Now we're on the way to Smart kasi papaisip ko na to since I need another SIM for like working kasi uwi kami ng Mindoro and all. So hindi kaya if like dito lang ako sa Smart mag-data kasi very nakakaloka. So kailangan ko ng GOMO kasi focus siya for data. So that's why we're on the way to Smart. Update guys! So hindi naman tayo nakapagpaisim sa Smart. Down ang system nila today. Though I bought a SIM na ng GOMO. Meron akong GOMO SIM. It's just that I need to convert my physical SIM to Smart na maging eSIM para like hindi na mahirap ang mga bagay-bagay sa mundo ito. But yes, ngayon naghanap kami ng another jewelry shop kasi pambutas siya ng tenga. Kailangan nyo yung second at third lobe ang puputasan. Sa Unisilver, doon ako nagpuputas. Hanggang second lobe lang yung pwede. So we're finding another jewelry store para mapagpaputas siya. So yeah, we're on the hunt.
Oh.
The hunt begins.
Sorry po.
We're here ngayon sa National Bookstore. Naghahanap siya ng libro for ate pa, yung kapatid niya. For regalo. So feel ko naman, yung amoy ng papel. Ngayon ko na ulit siya na-amoy after years. Sarap na limatin.
Ang addict yan.
I missed the
Addict ang
smell
puta.
of
Addict.
paper.
May addict. Ay, sorry! Nakawak ako mukha mo. Sorry. Sorry.
Hindi naman, buti na may buhok ako. May buhok ako. Alam mo, ang gulo-gulo na ng buhay ko.
Take a seat, guys. Take a seat. Enjoy. Enjoy the watch. Enjoy the watch.
Take a seat, guys.
Take a seat. Lay down. Have a popcorn.
Lay me down.
1:30.
So guys, ayan, nagpa-piercing si Paddy.
Okay na, nakahanap na.
Nakahanap na
Nandun
siya.
lang pala sa accessories yun. Wala
Are you
naghanap pa kami
happy?
ng ano. Ng
Are you
kung ano.
happy? Are you happy?
Masaya naman. Pero hindi ko in-expect na yun na nga.